Your front door is more than just an entrance, it's your home's first line of defense. In Austin neighborhoods where families value safety, privacy, and peace of mind, having a strong, secure entry door is essential. Whether you live in a quiet residential area or a busier part of the city, upgrading your entry door can significantly improve your home's overall security. If your current door is outdated, worn, or builder grade, it may not provide the level of protection you expect. Here's how modern entry doors help strengthen home security in Austin. Stronger materials for better protection. Many older homes still have hollow core or aging wood entry doors. Over time, exposure to heat, humidity, and daily wear can weaken these materials, making them more vulnerable to forced entry. Modern entry doors are typically constructed from reinforced steel solid fiberglass with insulated cores. Heavy-duty composite materials. Steel doors offer exceptional strength and resistance to impact. Fiberglass doors combine durability with resistance to warping and cracking, especially important in Austin's hot summers. These upgraded materials create a much stronger barrier between your home and the outside. Advanced locking systems. Traditional doors often rely on a single deadbolt, which may not be enough to deter determined intruders. Today's entry doors are often equipped with multi-point locking systems. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple locations, typically at the top, center, and bottom, distributing force more evenly and making it much harder to pry open. When combined with reinforced strike plates and heavy-duty screws anchored deep into the framing, these systems dramatically increase resistance to forced entry. Reinforced door frames matter. Even the strongest door won't perform well if the frame is weak. In many break-in attempts, the frame fails before the door itself. Upgraded entry door systems include reinforced frames designed to withstand pressure and impact. Professional installation ensures that the door frame is properly secured to the structural framing of your home, not just the trim. In Austin neighborhoods, where home security is a top priority, reinforcing both the door and the frame adds valuable protection. Impact-resistant glass options. If your entry door includes decorative glass panels, it's important to choose impact-resistant or laminated glass. Laminated glass features a strong interlayer that holds the glass together if it's struck. Instead of shattering, the glass stays bonded, making it significantly more difficult to break through. This allows homeowners to enjoy natural light without sacrificing safety. Smart security integration. Upgrading your entry door is also an opportunity to integrate modern security technology, such as smart locks with keypad or app access, video doorbell systems, reinforced peepholes, or security viewers. These additions give you greater control over who enters your home and provide real-time awareness of activity at your doorstep. For busy Austin families, this added convenience enhances both safety and peace of mind. Improved sealing and structural fit. Security isn't only about locks and materials. A door that doesn't fit properly can weaken your home's defense. Modern entry doors are installed with tight compression seals and durable weather stripping. This ensures a snug fit within the frame, reducing potential weak points. Proper sealing also improves energy efficiency, an added benefit in Austin's warm climate. Boosting confidence and property value. A secure entry door not only protects your family but also enhances curb appeal. Buyers often view upgraded entry doors as a sign of thoughtful home maintenance. In Austin's competitive housing market, visible security upgrades can increase a home's perceived value. A smart investment for Austin homeowners. Upgrading your entry door is one of the most effective ways to improve home security. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and smart technology integration, modern entry doors provide reliable protection. For Austin neighborhoods where safety matters, investing in a high-quality entry door strengthens your home's first line of defense, giving you lasting confidence and peace of mind.